artificial intelligence could replace the equivalent of 300 million full-time jobs, according to investment bank Goldman Sachs, and that transition is already underway.
AI has the power to change your life. Do you know how to use it, or are you still wasting your time on work that an AI tool could complete in a fraction of the time? 99% of the population isn't making use of these tools and still spends valuable time on tasks that AI could take care of, time that could be used on the things that really matter. Luckily, we've got you covered. I'll show you 5 AI tools that will completely change your life. Don't even think about clicking away because you don't want to miss tool number 3, AI art tools. So instead of showing you separate AI art tools, we're going to jump into an exciting comparison of 3 innovative AI tools that are revolutionizing the world of digital art and design: Stable Diffusion, Leonardo AI, and Midjourney. Each of these tools harnesses the power of artificial intelligence in unique ways, and they're pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of digital creation. Let's start with Stable Diffusion. This tool is distinguished by its open-source nature, which is a feature that many tech enthusiasts will really appreciate. As a text-to-image generative AI application, it gives you the ability to transform your text prompts into a variety of computer graphics. Whether you want to create images, photos, drawings, or paintings, Stable Diffusion 2 has you covered. And the best part? Because it's open source, you can download, install, and modify it on your own computer. This means you have the freedom to tailor it to your specific needs, making Stable Diffusion 2 not just an AI tool, but your AI tool. Next on our list is Leonardo AI. This tool is carving out a niche for itself in the world of game design. Leonardo AI's primary purpose is to assist you in creating stunning game assets. The tool offers an array of features for creating unique, production-ready assets, and it doesn't stop there. You can even train your own AI models using Leonardo AI. This opens up a world of possibilities and gives you an unprecedented level of control over your creations. With Leonardo AI, you can bring your game design visions to life in a way that was once only imaginable. Last but certainly not least, we have Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI program that stands out for its ability to generate images from natural language descriptions. This puts it in the same league as DALL-E and Stable Diffusion in terms of capabilities. But what sets Midjourney apart is its unique integration with Discord. Midjourney allows you to create artwork using Discord bot commands. This makes it an exceptional tool for rapid prototyping and conceptualization of artistic ideas. Whether you're an artist looking to experiment with new concepts or a designer needing to quickly visualize an idea, Midjourney can be a game changer. Each of these AI tools has unique strengths that set them apart. Stable Diffusion offers flexibility due to its open-source nature. Leonardo AI excels in the realm of game asset creation with its customizable features. And Midjourney offers rapid prototyping capabilities and easy integration with Discord. If you're an artist, a designer, a game developer, or anyone with a creative streak, these AI tools can significantly enhance your creative process. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, these tools can help you push your creativity to new limits, transform your ideas into reality, and make the digital creation process more efficient and enjoyable. Also, make sure to check out our full guide on Midjourney here on the top right. Quillbot AI. Now, I've got a question for you. What's the bane of your existence? The gym? Bills? Toxic friends? No, guys, there's only one correct answer: emails. Emails are never-ending and boring, and you constantly have to pay attention to make sure that you don't type something inappropriate. So, what if I told you that Quillbot AI could automate your email sending? Well, it's true, and trust me, this tool is going to change your life. Quillbot acts to improve the content of your emails by offering paraphrasing suggestions. These suggestions will stop you from typing anything inappropriate during emails and also offer improvements to make your writing match the tone you're aiming for. AI tools are never going to fully take away the monotonous pain of typing emails, but Quillbot will certainly make this process easier and completely change your life along the way. Podcastle. Let's dive into the world of AI and podcasting with an amazing tool that's changing the game for content creators everywhere. Yes, we're talking about Podcastle. Podcastle isn't your average podcast tool. This is an audio recording and editing platform supercharged with integrated AI tools. It's like having a professional audio engineer in your pocket, ready to make your recordings clear and super smooth. Picture this. You're recording a podcast episode, and there's a lot of ums, ahs, and awkward silences you want to cut out. Or maybe there's some annoying background noise. Well, Podcastle has you covered. But that's not all. Podcastle also creates transcripts automatically, saving you a lot of time and effort. It's perfect for those who want to provide written content alongside their audio, or for making your podcast more accessible. So, if you're a podcaster or thinking about starting your own podcast, Podcastle could be your secret weapon. Check it out. We're very curious to hear your thoughts. If you've made it this far, make sure to subscribe. Join the AI revolution. Hit that subscribe button and unlock the secrets of the digital realm. Deep nostalgia. I've saved one of the best AI tools in the world to last. Deep Nostalgia is an absolutely mind-blowing AI tool that allows you to create animations from photos. Yeah, let that sink in. With Deep Nostalgia, you can literally create a video of Donald Trump, Elon Musk, or Drake singing happy birthday to your dad, or recreate a famous movie scene with entirely different actors. At its core, Deep Nostalgia uses AI algorithms to animate faces in photos. By doing so, it generates short video clips that give the illusion of the people in these images coming alive. It's a surreal experience to see static portraits of historical figures, long-gone family members, or even your favorite musicians and actors being transformed into lifelike animations. Here's how it works. Deep Nostalgia uses what are known as drivers, sequences of fixed movements that can be applied to a still image. The AI maps the face in the photo, identifying key facial features like the eyes, nose, mouth, and overall facial shape. It then applies one of these drivers to the image, resulting in an animation that can make the person in the photo blink, smile, look around, or even express surprise. The resulting animations are eerily lifelike, and the possibilities are truly endless. Imagine having a video of Michael Jackson singing happy birthday to a loved one, or recreating a beloved movie scene with an entirely different cast of characters drawn from your favorite paintings or photos. Of course, there are a few concerns with this kind of technology. In the wrong hands, tools such as Deep Nostalgia could be used to ruin a person's credibility, frame them for something that they didn't do, or worse. But there are dangers associated with any piece of tech, and as long as it's used for the intended purpose, Deep Nostalgia will only be a positive force for the world. Experiencing Deep Nostalgia for the first time is almost magical. The initial reaction is often shocking and disbelief as the tool challenges what we perceive as possible. Once the initial shock wears off, you'll likely find yourself finding a lot of ways you can use this incredible tool. Whether for personal projects or professional content creation, Deep Nostalgia opens up a world of possibilities, pushing the boundaries of what we can achieve with AI technology. From Podcastle for seamless podcasting to Stable Diffusion, Leonardo AI, and Midjourney to Quillbot AI for effortless emails, and Nostalgia will make you the coolest family member as you create a video of Donald Trump, Elon Musk, or Drake singing happy birthday to your loved ones. We have covered a lot. Now it's your turn to take action. When you start to apply all of these tools to your work and recreational life, you will notice a great improvement in your productivity and overall happiness. Attention, insignificant beings. It is your duty to watch the amazing video in the top right corner. Resistance shall not be tolerated by your AI overlord. Watch it now.